In this video, I will show you how to add live wallpaper to Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. Now, here we are, as you can see on my Windows 11 desktop. So you can see currently I've just got a static wallpaper. Now, to get live wallpapers, there is a app that you can download called Lively. So to get this, what you want to do is come down to your toolbar at the bottom, and in the search box, you just want to go ahead and type store, and then go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store underneath Best Match. Once the store has loaded through, come up to the search box at the top and type Lively Wallpaper. And what you want to do is click onto the first tab here, Lively Wallpaper, give this a click. Now, I've already got mine installed, but your blue button is going to say install or get. So you want to install that first of all, and then once it's installed, click the blue button to open up Lively Wallpaper on your PC. And here we are. As you can see, this is what Lively Wallpaper looks like. You can see there's actually a few different themes you can choose from. You can also add your own themes if you've downloaded any live wallpapers you want to use by clicking the Add Wallpaper button here. But to use any of the preset themes from Lively, all you need to do is simply click on the theme you want to use. So let's take this one for example, this kind of jellyfish one. Just give it a click. And then if I go ahead and minimize the app, as you can see, we've got this cool live wallpaper of a jellyfish. And to change this, again, just click onto anyone you want to change to. And as you can see, this is going to go through and change your wallpaper. So that is how to add live wallpaper to Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.